when you feel it's hopeless, when you...
Hey everyone, this is a very quick and easy pink and bronze eye makeup look. There is no cut crease in this eye makeup look, but I have highlighted crease line using glitter. This is beginner friendly tutorial excluding the glitter highlight, but if you want to know how to get the glitter highlight easily, then please continue watching. I am using Mass Jasne Shringar palette and picking this pink eyeshadow. I would be packing this eyeshadow on my outer V. I am using Sigma E33 brush. Move the brush in circular motion. Build the eyeshadow slowly. The eyeshadows in this palette are very pigmented. It's a very beautiful palette and affordable as well. Link to which is in description box below. Next, I'm using chocolate brown eyeshadow to intensify pink eyeshadow. I'm reapplying chocolate brown eyeshadow to intensify outer V further. After you apply, begin moving in circular motion for it to blend with the pink eyeshadow. Next, I am picking this eyeshadow for my crease. Move the brush back and forth to deposit the eyeshadow and in circular motion for smokiness. After this, I am using bronze eyeshadow. This is a perfect bronze eyeshadow, very beautiful eyeshadow in the palette. Do not cross your crease line, keep it within the crease. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. I am using this glitter. I will be packing this glitter to highlight my crease line. Tip here is to place glitter just on the tip of the brush. If you place little glitter just on the tip and begin highlighting your crease line, you will be able to achieve it. It's easy, give it a try. The glitter in the palette is a pressed glitter. This is a very beautiful silver glitter. After this, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm outlining my wing. After I'm done outlining, I'm filling it. Winged eyeliner application is easier this way. I'm creating pointed inner corner next. This shapes your eye. Eye makeup looks very beautiful after creating pointed inner corner. Keep the pointed inner corner point very sharp. Sharper the pointed inner corner point sharp, the more beautiful your eye makeup will look. I'm coating kajal on my waterline. This kajal is from Color Bar. I'm packing pink eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Outer V eyeshadow, first eyeshadow. Next, I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes well, applying mascara on them. Use tip of the wand when you're coating mascara on your lower eyelashes. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. If you have any doubts, please write them in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.